got breakfast this morning. Today is our last full day here. That's Amirah's breakfast. She's having freshly made waffles, a chocolate donut and some biscuits. Got myself some sour cherry juice. Haven't tried this before, so I thought I'd just give it a go. Water. This is what we have today for breakfast. Lots of fruit, and salad. Just there is the Grand Ideal Premium, and then next to that is the Tui Blue Azul Hotel. We're just going to A101. Got this pretty girl, oh boy. Just met her outside the supermarket. I've given her a packet of cat food and she's enjoying that. Very cute. We're just going to the kids club now. Had lunch, feeling very full. Couldn't have much because I had breakfast, and so still got breakfast in me. So yeah, we're just going to the kids club now. These are some of the things we picked up from A101. We got a knife sharpener, a knife. We always take back knives when we come here. The knives are really good, very sharp, and they last such a long time as well. Very good quality and very cheap. This one was like 140 lira, and the knife sharpener was 150, so that's like our £3. And I got 4 of these teacups, which I really like. I love the design. It's something different to what I already have, so I thought I'd pick up 4 of these. And then I've got some Tupperware as well. Again, really cheap. There's a pack of 4 in this one, and I think pack of 3, yeah. And that was about 69 lira. And then these smaller ones for Amirah, and they were like 22 lira each. So, and really good quality. They're not like really cheap and flimsy. They're really good quality. And picked up loads of sweets and stuff like that, chocolates. We also love these plums. They taste so nice with this seasoning, this Mexican seasoning, which we got from London. I thought I'd bring it with me, so yeah, in order to basically have it with this and apples and things like that, because it just makes it so much more delicious. This is our 2nd or 3rd box. We're going to take some back with us in one of the Tupperwares that we got today. The view from our balcony again, very beautiful. It's not as sunny today, but it is still very warm. Coming into this little gift shop, they have some really cute things. I've got my eye on this bag. I've just come across one of the local shops that sells Turkish clothing, and I'm just in love. Like, I already grabbed about 3 outfits and I'm just looking for more, and the prices are really reasonable as well. We're having soup again in the Quidco food court. It tastes exactly like the one we have in Istanbul. Really, really nice, and a bit of spice to it as well. We also have a plate of salad, and they've given us some bread as well. This is the luggage we're getting. I fell in love with it as soon as I saw it. Love the colour combo. So getting that is 1400 lira. It's Turkish night tonight in the restaurant, Friday. This is what I got. It's so busy today. We're literally sitting right at the end of the food hall. Time to leave the room. I'm gonna miss this place. And the view, beautiful. Early birds to breakfast. We've got about 10 minutes before our car comes. So we thought we'd quickly grab something. It's very empty. Our breakfast starts at 7. About 7:20 now. So yeah, it's empty. Everyone's sleeping. Just a couple of people having breakfast. So we're just going to quickly grab something before our transfer comes in about 10 minutes. Just give the hotel cat some treats. We're in Dalaman Airport now, just past security. We're just going to our gate. The plane's already here, but they're not going to start boarding until maybe another hour or so. I believe this is our plane. I've got a feeling it's going to be a full flight because there's so many people going back from half-term holiday. Boarding the plane early today, a whole hour early. How good is that? Guess what, guys? We've been upgraded to business class free of charge, all three of us. That is a dream come true, alhamdulillah. That was a very nice surprise. Literally a few minutes away from departing. Business class free upgrade. Our welcome drinks on board. We've been given a menu. Lovely headphones. It makes a huge difference to the ones we get in economy class. This is Amirah starter, grilled chicken breast with ratatouille, and I've ordered some gnocchi with lentils. I think Rahul's having either beef or chicken over there. This is Amirah's hot chocolate. Some complimentary roasted Turkish hazelnuts. Hazelnuts are my favourite. So just after our meal, they've given this. Thank you. It's your belated birthday cake.